And what are the most important supplements that one should take?
Food.
Imagine seeing a 60-year-old man walk into the gym and outlift, outtrain, and outlast guys in their 20s. Sounds crazy, right? But Kevin Levrone isn't just defying age, he's rewriting the rules of aging. While most struggle with joint pain and fading muscle, he's still shredded like a prime-time athlete. How? It all comes down to 5 key foods and a workout plan that keeps his body in peak condition. If you think aging is unstoppable, get ready, because Kevin is about to prove you wrong. Egg whites, the ultimate muscle. Fuel egg whites are packed with high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and recovery. They are low in fat and keep metabolism high. Kevin starts his day with egg whites to ensure his body gets the right fuel first thing in the morning. Protein is the foundation of muscle, he says. By avoiding the extra fat from yolks, he keeps his physique lean and defined. This simple yet powerful food is a staple in his anti-aging diet, helping him maintain muscle mass without excess calories. Wild-caught salmon, omega-3 for youthful skin, or furiosity and joints. Wild-caught salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, protect joints, and improve skin health. Kevin includes salmon in his diet at least 4 times a week. Healthy fats are key to longevity, he explains. Omega-3s help keep his joints mobile, allowing him to train hard without injury. The high protein content supports muscle maintenance, while the natural oils keep his skin looking young and fresh. It's a perfect food for staying strong and looking years younger. Sweet potatoes. Clean carbs for energy. Sweet potatoes provide slow-digesting carbohydrates that fuel workouts and keep energy levels stable. Kevin eats them before training to power through intense sessions. The right carbs give you lasting energy, he says. Unlike processed carbs, sweet potatoes are nutrient-dense, packed with fiber, and help regulate blood sugar. Their high vitamin and mineral content support recovery, making them a go-to source of clean energy. He believes that cutting the wrong carbs ages you, but the right ones keep you performing at your best. Lean chicken breast. The muscle builder. Chicken breast is a pure, lean protein source that helps Kevin maintain his muscular physique without unnecessary fat. Consistency is everything, he says. By eating high-protein meals throughout the day, he ensures his body always has what it needs to repair and grow. He prefers grilled chicken with greens for a balanced meal that supports lean muscle growth. Its amino acid profile is perfect for recovery, making it one of the best foods for long-term muscle preservation and overall health. Green vegetables. The secret to looking young. Kevin loads up on leafy greens in every meal. They flush toxins, provide antioxidants, and keep skin tight and youthful. Your diet isn't complete without greens, he emphasizes. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli improve digestion, boost testosterone naturally, and keep inflammation low. Their micronutrients support cardiovascular health, ensuring optimal blood flow for muscle growth and recovery. By making half of his plate greens, Kevin keeps his body functioning at peak performance while maintaining a lean and sculpted look. Monday, chest and triceps. Kevin starts the week by training his upper body for size and definition. His routine includes bench presses, 4 sets of 8 reps, incline dumbbell presses, 4 sets of 10 reps, and dips to failure. He follows with cable flies, 3 sets of 12, rope pushdowns, 4 sets of 10, and skull crushers, 3 sets of 10. He focuses on controlled reps and proper form to maximize muscle activation. His philosophy: you don't need to lift the heaviest weight. Focus on the movement and your muscles will respond. Tuesday, back and biceps. Back and biceps day starts with pull-ups, 4 sets to failure, followed by deadlifts, 3 sets of 8, barbell rows, 4 sets of 10, and lat pull-downs, 3 sets of 12. For biceps, he does seated dumbbell curls, 3 sets of 10, and hammer curls, 3 sets of 10. Kevin trains with a mix of heavy and moderate weights to maintain strength and definition. A strong back makes you look powerful, he says. This routine ensures he keeps his V-taper physique and powerful pulling strength. Wednesday, legs. Leg day is crucial for overall strength and athleticism. Kevin begins with squats, 4 sets of 8, leg presses, 3 sets of 12, and lunges, 3 sets of 12, DC per leg. He follows with leg extensions, 3 sets of 12, leg curls, 3 sets of 12, and calf raises, 4 sets of 12. Never skip leg day, he insists. Strong legs are the foundation of a powerful physique. This workout ensures he maintains balance, muscle mass, and endurance, keeping him strong and functional in everyday life. Thursday, shoulders and abs. Kevin prioritizes shoulder development to enhance his frame. His routine includes seated dumbbell presses, 4 sets of 10, lateral raises, 4 sets of 12, front raises, 3 sets of 12, and face pulls, 3 sets of 12. For abs, he does hanging leg raises, 3 sets of 15, and plank holds, 3 sets of 1 minute. He believes that strong shoulders and a defined core create a powerful look. Good posture and core strength keep you looking younger and performing at your peak, he says. Friday, boxing and cardio. To stay agile and lean, Kevin dedicates a day to boxing and conditioning. He starts with 5 rounds of shadow boxing, 3 rounds on the heavy bag, and 10 minutes of jump rope. He finishes with sprint intervals, 6 rounds of 30 seconds. Boxing is the ultimate fat burner, he explains. This high-intensity routine keeps his reflexes sharp and his endurance strong. He believes that cardiovascular health is just as important as muscle size, ensuring he remains both fast and powerful. Saturday and Sunday, active recovery. Kevin believes in keeping the body moving, even on rest days. He goes for long walks, hikes, or light swims to stay active while allowing his muscles to recover. Recovery is part of the process, he says. He focuses on stretching, mobility drills, and getting enough sleep. Proper recovery ensures he avoids injury, stays energized, and keeps training at a high level. His philosophy is that aging is optional. If you treat your body right, it will continue performing at its best for years. If Kevin can stay this strong and lean at 60, there's no reason why you can't defy aging too. Remember, it's all about the right foods and staying consistent with your workouts. Age doesn't have to slow you down. Kevin Levrone is living proof. Keep pushing and stay young at heart.